Guys, what's up? I just want to make a really quick video. Again, I don't try to make really long videos, so with that being said, I'm just going to prove to you guys the dip buy works in this video. So let's get this started. Okay guys, so the dip buy does work, and as you can see I have this red line on this chart. That basically proves that this works, because here was the high a while ago. You guys can probably hear the dog. I need to let him out here in a minute. As soon as I'm done with this, I'm not going to take that long, so shouldn't be really a problem. But this is a 2-minute chart. You can see where this fell before, and it's kind of popped here multiple times. This is where it popped last time, and then it basically denied it. But this hasn't had a lot of volume, so this is kind of one that you had to be a little bit more careful about. Oh, the dog got in here. With that being said, it was still an easy enough play to make 25 cents a share pretty easily, or 15 cents a share. You could have made, I guess, 40 cents a share, but again, I'm not looking at that for this exact stock, because it is a little choppy. It's not got a ton of volume. It's only got 3 million volume on the day. I'm going to let him out. Okay, guys. Sorry about that, but it's only got 3 million volume on the day. And I know a lot of people are like, so why did you even trade it? And because it could have been risky. I could have been caught up in it. But I just kind of I saw the dip buy, and I really wanted to prove that it was going to hit that point and it was going to bounce. And then there's always this one when I was learning trading that was like an A, B, C, D pattern, and you wanted to buy it on the B. So that was basically the big fall. And so this would have been A, B would have been down here where you would have bought, C, on the support line, of course. C, it's got a perk. You still hold through this. It falls back down. And then D is like the rest of it, like where it climbs back up. Again, it didn't make that much bigger of a high, but you could have still sold it up in here. 240 looks like it was the highest point, 239. If you pre-market 284, you could sell. You could just see it. People were falling. This had news all morning. 906 obviously is what is the reason that pushed this thing hard. If you guys know anything about those times, my strategy, or one of my strategies that I've been using a lot lately pre-market, this definitely has to do with timing. And I mean, trading has a lot to do with timing. I don't know why I get some weird emails and junk email accounts. I need to disconnect them. But anyways, kind of why you see it shift through. But there's a lot of timing is everything in trading. So whether or not your timing is right on buying the bounce, or buying the breakout, or buying the dip buy, and then the other part of timing is knowing when to take profits, when to cut losses. Guys, I don't win every trade. I may be green 4 out of 5 days in a week, but that doesn't mean I don't lose money on trades every now and then. So yes, I may have made a trade pre-market. That I did not today, actually, but you could have bought in here, and then you saw that it was up here. You think it's going to climb at the open, and it falls. So you're cutting losses very, very quickly, or trying to at least. Some people are going to get in. Some people are going to get out. A lot of people are obviously getting out right here because of everything that's going on. I believe there was some bad news somewhere in those lines. Yeah. But anyways, you had these kind of things that push in the morning. They fall back down, but they hold enough of their gains, obviously, because they were trading at like $1.85, $1.90. They stay at that $2 range, or they make sure they stay up, and then all of a sudden they hit those support lines at 205 pretty much, and then they start bouncing back. And I mean, this could be one that you hold for a couple days realistically if it holds. Let's make a trend line. I don't want anybody going off of my ideas, guys. I really hope you guys realize that and remember that about me. I really hate it when people go off my ideas. But as long as it doesn't break this trend line, if you extend it to the right these next day or so, then you may be in good luck. But again, you could have made this trend line as the day came back and kind of just played it out. The only thing I don't like about it is it didn't make a new high here. So of course you would have wanted to take profits and run with it. You would still be in the green. You'd be up 20 cents, which is a pretty good return if you're day trading. So with that being said, guys, I think I proved my point. If I didn't, leave a comment below, and I'll definitely make more videos on this exact strategy. But please like the video; definitely helps my channel. Again, comment below anything you need, and I will see you guys in the next video.